What if one night you looked up and the moon was gone, replaced by a massive shimmering disco ball? Not a tiny ornament, but a colossal, mirror-covered sphere the size of the moon, orbiting 384,000 kilometers away. Whoever pulled off this heist deserves credit for the greatest theft in history. They probably needed a giant crane or rocket-powered forklift. Haha! The moon plays a critical role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. Without it, our planet would wobble, messing with the seasons and climate. But in this scenario, we're replacing the moon with a disco ball of the same size and weight. That means tides, orbital stability, and gravity stay the same. So no, haha, the oceans won't disappear and surfing remains safe. However, the similarities end there. The moon reflects sunlight softly, but a disco ball scatters sunlight in sharp, concentrated beams. During the day, you wouldn't notice much. But at night, the world would look like a 1970s roller rink. The ball's facets would reflect sunlight in every direction, creating moving patches of blinding light across the landscape. Your backyard BBQ would be interrupted by flashes of daylight. Stargazing would be impossible, replaced by dazzling speckles sweeping overhead. And sleep, you'll need blackout curtains because each night will feel like a paparazzi ambush. The constant flashes would confuse nocturnal animals. Owls would hunt in strobe light, bats might crash into trees. Humans could develop permanent disco fever. Nightclubs would close since the sky is already the ultimate party. The real chaos, though, would be in the temperature. The moon's faint glow doesn't affect heat, but a disco ball would concentrate sunlight enough to slightly warm the spots it hits. Imagine Earth getting mini sunburns at night. It wouldn't be deadly, but ecosystems might adapt to this bizarre nighttime sunlight roulette over time. Astronomers would be furious. Telescopes, already battling city light pollution, would now face a giant celestial flashbang. Deep space photography would be ruined. The James Webb Space Telescope would just capture glitter. On the other hand, tourism would explode. Every place on Earth would have the perfect Instagram sky. Cities would compete for the best disco ball reflections, and someone would inevitably propose using it as a rotating billboard. Imagine seeing "Drink Cola" in shimmering letters from space. Humanity wouldn't survive that level of tackiness. During a lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow normally turns the moon red, but with a disco ball, as the shadow passes, the mirrors would reflect sunlight again, creating the most intense burst of light ever. 1 second, pitch black. The next, 100 billion laser pointers aimed at Earth. Would it turn the world into a constant dance party? Absolutely. And honestly, maybe that's the chaotic energy we need right now. Tides and seasons would remain, and Earth wouldn't spiral into the sun. But everything else, total chaos. All because someone decided our peaceful moon needed more funk.